When it comes to maintaining your home in Orangeburg, one of the most important areas to focus on is your windows. Vinyl windows, known for their durability and energy efficiency, are a great choice for the region's varying climate. However, like any other part of your home, they still require some attention to ensure they perform optimally throughout the year. Whether you're dealing with the heat of summer, the humidity of spring, or the chill of winter, following some simple maintenance tips will keep your vinyl windows looking great and functioning properly. Understanding Orangeburg's weather and its impact. Orangeburg, with its humid subtropical climate, experiences hot summers and mild winters, often accompanied by high humidity and occasional rainfall. These weather conditions can affect the performance and appearance of your windows over time. Vinyl windows are resistant to the elements, but regular maintenance is still necessary to preserve their longevity and efficiency. By giving your windows a little extra care, you can ensure they stand up to the challenges of Orangeburg's weather. Regular cleaning to maintain appearance. Vinyl windows are low maintenance, but they do require cleaning to keep them looking their best. Dirt, dust, pollen, and grime can accumulate on your windows, which can cause discoloration over time if left untreated. To clean your vinyl windows, simply use a soft cloth, mild dish soap, and warm water. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners that could damage the surface. Steps for cleaning your vinyl windows. Use a microfiber cloth or sponge to wash the window frame and sashes. Clean the glass with a glass cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar for a streak-free finish. Be sure to clean both the interior and exterior of the window, including the sills and tracks. While it's a good idea to clean your windows regularly, it's especially important to do so after seasonal weather events. Heavy rain or storms, which can be common in Orangeburg, may leave debris on your windows or in the tracks. Giving them a quick cleaning after these events will prevent any buildup. Inspect seals and weather stripping. The seals and weather stripping around your windows play a crucial role in keeping your home energy efficient. They help prevent drafts, moisture, and insects from entering your home. Over time, weather stripping may wear out due to the humidity and temperature fluctuations typical of Orangeburg's climate. Perform a quick inspection of your window seals a few times a year. Look for signs of cracking, peeling, or gaps in the weather stripping. If you notice any areas that seem compromised, it's time to replace the weather stripping. This is a simple and inexpensive fix that can make a big difference in your home's energy efficiency. Keep window tracks clean and lubricated. The tracks of your vinyl windows are essential for smooth operation. Dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate in the tracks, causing your windows to become difficult to open or close. In the humid conditions of Orangeburg, moisture can also lead to rust or mildew buildup. Regularly cleaning the tracks will prevent this. To clean the tracks, first, use a vacuum or a small brush to remove any large debris. Then, use a damp cloth to wipe down the tracks. After cleaning, apply a silicone-based lubricant to ensure smooth operation. Lubricating the tracks will help maintain the functionality of your windows, preventing any sticking or jamming that could occur due to humidity and moisture exposure. Examine window frames for cracks or damage. Although vinyl windows are highly durable, they're not immune to damage. Extreme heat, storms, or accidents can lead to cracks or dents in the window frame. Regularly inspecting your vinyl windows for any signs of damage can prevent further deterioration. If you notice a crack or chip in the frame, contact a professional to assess the damage. Minor cracks can often be repaired, but larger issues may require a replacement window. By catching problems early, you can avoid costly repairs down the road and keep your home secure and energy efficient. Protect from harsh weather conditions. While vinyl windows are designed to withstand most weather conditions, extreme weather events like high winds, heavy rain, or hail can cause damage. In Orangeburg, summer thunderstorms are common, and while vinyl windows are resistant to water damage, it's still wise to take precautions. Before a storm hits, check to ensure that your windows are securely closed, and inspect the seals and weather stripping for any potential weaknesses. Additionally, during the winter months, make sure your windows are properly sealed to keep cold air out. Though Orangeburg doesn't typically experience severe cold, occasional cold fronts can still affect your home's temperature, so maintaining proper insulation through your windows will help reduce heating costs. Consider professional maintenance. While basic cleaning and inspections are something you can do on your own, it's also a good idea to schedule a professional window maintenance service every couple of years. A professional can conduct a thorough inspection, check for issues like air leaks, and offer solutions to keep your vinyl windows in top condition. Final thoughts. Maintaining vinyl windows in Orangeburg's unique climate is simple with the right care. By cleaning them regularly, inspecting seals, keeping tracks clean, checking for damage, and taking precautions before harsh weather, you can keep your vinyl windows functioning beautifully for years. With minimal effort, these easy maintenance steps will ensure your windows continue to offer excellent energy efficiency and curb appeal, all while standing up to the challenges of Orangeburg's weather.